Hey guys, so today we're gonna be playing Let's Be Cops. I guess we'll start then. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wait, we missed someone. Okay, we missed someone. Okay, someone else. Pull over. You guy, man, come here. Today, oh my god. I'm just gonna search his vehicle for anything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Ha. This is gonna be so much fun. Okay guys, let's start again. Again, hey you guy, let me scan you, come here. Okay, Spike. Oh wait, both of them got pulled over. I'm so sorry. Oh wait, not this one. Sorry about that. Oh wait, okay, I guess I stood the wrong person. I'm gonna do it. Ha! You caught, man! Oh my god, what is going on? He's full red. I'm sorry, guy. Out of the car. Get out of the car. Want me to stun you? Okay, no one cares. I already did. Ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Come on, please. Okay. What upgrade? Oh, cool. Collecting? Unlocking? Wait, so basically I'm gonna go over here. Collecting? Tap to continue, okay. Oh, we are going there. There's a, people here. Well, yes, we'll go then. Okay, we damaged the exhausts. No, wait, no, I do not want this. No, sorry. Oh, wait! Okay, I'm not getting enough time to arrest people. Pull over, man! What did you do to my car, guy? Okay, this is not good. Yes, I got some easy money. Okay, let's go. Wait, what? He was going way over the speed limit. 28, that's pretty slow. Okay, this guy is looking a bit good. Spike Man, what are you guys doing? Okay. Polista bug. Much bubbles outside. Don't matter. What am I doing? I didn't even scan him fully. So we're gonna do one more day. No, I don't think I can make that. So we're gonna do what? Upgrades? Okay, for upgrades, what do I do for upgrades? I have a lot of cash. I mean, of course I do. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna buy as much as I can. Oh wait, that's locked. It's not for any money. Wait, I have all the things locked. This is the best one. Great. Okay. And I have all the wheels locked. Okay, cool. Okay, this is the last level I'm gonna do. For some reason. Why you come over? How did he do that? No one cares. Okay, I'm tired of this ads. That's it for today.